Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable products for your home. Today, we're diving into the world of refrigerator water filters, and specifically, we're talking about the Everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 2, model EDR2RXD1. If you're on the hunt for a high-quality water filter for your KitchenAid, Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, or Genair refrigerator, you're in the right place. The Everydrop by Whirlpool EDR2RXD1 is one of the top contenders for kitchen water filtration, and it does a fantastic job of keeping your water clean, fresh, and safe. The filter is NSF certified, meaning it meets rigorous standards for contaminant reduction. In fact, it reduces up to 28 different contaminants including lead, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and waterborne parasites. This level of filtration ensures that you're not only getting pure, clean water, but also water that tastes and smells better than before. Installing the filter is easy, with a straightforward process that doesn't require any special tools or professional help. Simply check your refrigerator's model to ensure compatibility with this filter, and you're good to go. With Everydrop's approval for major refrigerator brands, this filter is a great replacement option. It's built to reduce 99% of lead, offering you and your family superior protection from harmful substances. In addition to its excellent filtration performance, the EDR2RXD1 filter also works to improve the taste and clarity of your water, so you can enjoy refreshing, clean water straight from your fridge. Plus, it's designed for a 6-month lifespan, meaning it's low maintenance but highly effective. While the packaging may vary due to recent refreshes, the core quality of the product remains consistent, making it a trusted choice for households across the globe. If you're looking for a water filter that balances quality, performance, and convenience, the Everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 2 is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in a quick, efficient, and reliable way to ensure clean water, head over to the product page to get yours. Be sure to check back here for more product reviews, and as always, thank you for watching Product Critique.